Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Search and Google Assistant features are missing or these features are not found. So I will show you how to fix this issue. Go to all settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, select account, go down, then turn off this option, apps only mode, turn off, done. Then go to home screen. Please wait. Okay, see now here we can see the search and Google Assistant features. So this way we can fix that issue. Just turn off that apps only mode, that's all. Okay, so you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.